Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y19s, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, hold power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options simply click on power off. The device will turn off, and when it does you want to hold power button and volume up again. And this time around we're just going to be holding it for a little bit longer. So once you see the Fastboot mode, you can let go. Now in here you can, I believe you need to use volume buttons to navigate through the options, so as you can see. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. We have two options, reboot and recovery mode. So this is Fastboot mode, so I just want to leave this mode now, and I'm gonna select reboot. So take me back to Android, and that's about it. So just gonna wait for it to boot back up and then finish it up. And there we go. As you can see, we are now back on Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.